Hi guys, welcome to Kodemine. Carrie here. Hope you guys have enjoying our C tutorial on our channel. And here is a good news that we have come up with the next level of C, that is a C++ complete tutorial on our channel Kodemine. And the guys who still not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel by hitting the red subscribe button below this video, and also hit the notification button for the notification of upcoming videos. So what is new in C++ and how we are going to project this course for the new students. So in this C++ we are covering each and every topic related to C++, like OOP concept, inheritance, polymorphism, method, classes, object, right? So each and everything you guys will able to learn in the topic. The idea behind to create this video is to just tell you guys, the guys who are not aware of C or C++, like you guys do not have any single knowledge about C++ or C, then my recommendation to you guys is that please go through the tutorial of C, because the basics of C++ is covered into the C programming tutorial, because C is basically a base for C++. Actually C is a base for each and every programming language, but the thing is, if you guys have a very good knowledge of C, then you are very much sure about, or you guys can say, you guys can easily learn the C++, because in C++ we are going to cover the OOPS concept and advanced concepts of C++. So if you want to go through the very basics, please go through the C programming tutorial first, then go to the C++ programming tutorial, right? And we will cover up each and every topic in very detail. So if you guys have any query, any question related to any topic, whether it's related to C or a C++, just comment into the comment box, or you guys can email us. The email ID is given into the description of the channel, right? And after this course we will going to discuss about what are the career aspects and how we can grow as a C++ programmer or as a C programmer. And I am very sure about that you guys will enjoy this C programming or C++ programming tutorial on our channel, right? And please share this tutorial with your friends and family as well, so that they can also gain their knowledge, right? And the guys who still not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe, right? And at the end, just this video is basically only for this declaration. If you guys are new, then please go through the C tutorial first, right? Go through the C tutorial. If you have a good knowledge in C, right, then only go to the C++, right? So first is C, then C++, right? So there have a 3 playlists here. One is C tutorial, right? Another is C with OOPS, right? If you have a knowledge already of C, then you want to do the advanced, then you can easily go through the OOPS concept. And the next thing is complete C++, where the C and C++ is completely in a order, right? So the link of this all 3 playlists is given into the description, and you guys can go through that, and hope you guys will learn a lot through this playlist. So still, if you guys have any query, any question, or you guys want any kind of different courses, you guys can comment into the comment box and tell us about that as well. So we will definitely look upon that. So at the end, I just want to tell you guys that take care of yourself and your family, and share our channel with your friends and family, so that they can also gain their knowledge. And do subscribe our channel, because we have a very hard working team who work very hard for the tutorials for you guys. So thanks for watching. Have a very good day.